What is up, guys? So today I'm back with the next unboxing video, and today we're gonna unbox the Vigilon Nerf gun. So this holds 10 shot and it is kinda automatic, I believe, so I'm gonna test it out right now. So we have our unboxing knife right here. Give this a cut. Let's cut it. Cut this one also. Cut this one also. Cut it like that. Right there. And take it out just like that. It is done and it's outside the box just like that. So now what I'm gonna do is go ahead and take out the shots. So the shots are in here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and see if I can grab it out. So I'm guessing you have to pull from here. I don't want to tear it. I'm trying my best not to tear it, but I'm also so tempted to tear it because I can't wait to unbox it real quick. So let's cut here. I gotta do it. I gotta do it. I got to do it. I gotta do it. I gotta do it. I gotta tear it. I can't wait. I gotta tear it real quick. Alright, so here we go. Pull it out here. And these are the shots. These are not the normal Nerf shot that I realized, but it is a Nerf brand. I'm guessing this is like a sub brand, like a brand under Nerf or another type of gun that Nerf makes, but it is still Nerf, and it comes with 10 shot, I believe. Here's the manual right here. Well, you guys know already, we don't read manuals around here, so that's basically it. Shows you how to load it and it shows you how to fire it real quick. So the build quality feels very premium. Feels like it definitely worth the price. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try to load it right now. But how do I load it? That's the question. Oh, that's why we have a manual. So let me look at the manual real quick. Okay, I see. So I'm guessing 5 shots can hold in it at a time, not 10 shots. That's kind of disappointing, but it is what it is. So let me show you how I'm loading it right here. So right here, guys, you can see that it tells you exactly right here. So this part should be down like this here, and you just put them up on a layer like that. Let me add in these 3 more, and then I have to put in 2 more. It doesn't feel like it is going on right, but trust me, it is going in right. So just pull this down and put in your shots like that. 1 more should do it, and like that. That is 5, and I guess you just crank it up like that and pull it back. I'm guessing, yeah, you gotta pull this thing back. I've already pulled it back, and I'm guessing you just go ahead and fire. And also, this right here is what you use to pull down, I would say, the chamber or the magazine. You see, I put it right there. Pull down the magazine nice and easy. And as I said, the build quality is really good and really nice. And I'm guessing this is like a de-stocker or something, because look, let me crank it up. So I crank it up like that, pull it back, and this is like to take out the bullet that is in there. I'm guessing a de-stocker, and I'm guessing if I fire this, it should fire pretty far. Unfortunately, I won't be able to show you how far it fire, but on the box it says, let me see if it says how far will it go on the box. Let me see. It doesn't show me how far will it go on the box, but I'm pretty sure it should go pretty far. I'm gonna fire it right now and tell you guys how far did it went. So pull it back, crank it up, fire. So it went pretty far and it bounced right off the wall. It is automatic. No, it's not automatic. You have to pull it back again and then press the fire shot and fire again, but it fires really far and it's pretty much powerful. As you guys can see, the build quality seems very powerful. But that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you guys like this video, let me know what are your thoughts. I'll leave a link down below, try to leave a link down below where you could get this, but definitely go ahead and check it out. Let me know if you have one of this, let me know if you got one of this, where did you get it from, and all those stuff. It does here and works fine. What are the problems? Let me know what are your thoughts down below in the comment section. I'll be down there, and pretty much that's it. Let me just show you the fire right here. Will it fire? Pretty sure it's gonna go all over the place. See, that came out really powerful right there. I think that was my last shot, yeah, I believe. And to lower the chamber, as I said, you just press here, like right here, and the chamber is lowered nice and easy. And let me load it up again real quick for you guys so you guys can see. Get my shots. As I said, it's 5 shots. I thought it would be 10, but I'm guessing they gave you 10 shots, like 5 for spear and all those stuff, which is pretty nice that they're thinking about spear and all those stuff, because you know these things get lost easily. But as the more Nerf gun you get, then the more shots you will have to play around with, because you have so much and so much things to do, and basically you won't run out of shots because those Nerf shots will be all over. The build quality, to be honest, it seems like I would say it seems like an Apex gun to me. I haven't played Apex that much, but it feels like an Apex gun to me. It doesn't feel like a Fortnite gun or one of those guns, but it definitely feels like an Apex gun to me. But here are some other guns that you could get with it. As you guys can see right here, let me zoom in for you guys to see. You guys could see that there are some other guns in this build quality, and you have the I can't even pronounce that right there. What is that? The Paradragon and what is that? The Vortex. I'm not sure, to be honest. I'm butchering these names, but this is just, I'm guessing, the handheld one, the smaller version. The one that I got was a smaller version. So this is, I would say, the handgun for it, and then you have the other gun. I don't know, but as I said, that's pretty much it. And I like this gun. I'll definitely be using this around the house, but please make sure safety is first. Don't try to shoot this in somebody's eye or anything like that. But that's it for this video, guys. If you reach this far, you definitely like my content. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this, because I will definitely upload them for you. But that's it for this video, guys. Until my next video, I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Peace.